Welcome to INNsider Tips. In the last couple of tips, I've been looking at your operations manual. In today's tip, I'm going to look at what else you should include. 1. The location of your site. Reason? Your location will tell you a lot about your business. 2. Training. It's imperative that you have this aspect of your operations manual model correct. Your training must be step by step and easy to understand even at the lowest skill level. You should also be specific on how your training will proceed. 3. Your property setup. What equipment, furnishings, and accessories are required? Include prices if possible. 4. Supplies and inventory. This would include room supplies, bedding, towels, bathroom accessories, cleaning supplies, vacuum cleaners, marketing materials. If you have a restaurant, food inventory, etc. You will also include the quantity, the supplier or suppliers, the price, etc. 5. Your staff's uniforms. You'll have to decide how you want to present you and your staff to your customers. Professionally dressed or casual? Is the dress consistent and does it have your business name and logo? 6. Marketing efforts. What is the marketing you use? Who are your target clientele? What are the platforms you use and what percentage of your budget is allocated to each? Responsibilities. Perfect employee profiles. Job descriptions. How do you find your potential employees? Interviewing and background checks. Pre-employee testing. New employee orientation and training. Communicating and personal policies. Paying your employees. Scheduling your employees. Employee management forms. Employee morale and motivation. Performance evaluation. Employee discipline. Documentation, witnesses, signature. Good employee management practices. For members of the Hospitality Property School Group, I go into more detail. Well, that's it for today's tip. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future tips. And make sure you join one of our groups that best serves your needs. To subscribe, visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/sign up for INNsider Tips. And to find the best group for you, visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/private-groups. Until next time, have a fun day.